first support level for Gala isn't 3 cents, which is very big. The current Gala price is 0.058, and the 24-hour trading volume for Gala is 243,827,327, which is very big bull control. Gale is really current cost tasks, which is really very big the 22nd of May 2023. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about the decently Gala cost examination for now or at least 1 week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important problems. What is most likely to be a very short-term cost expectation for Gala is very Gala and especially wise venture Gala support and opposition levels, etc. This is contrary to what most people think, but before we get too deep into Gala-specific research, let's talk about the economy in general. Analysis of the market shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1.122.123.0478.8, which is a very important and very large number. The total trading volume in the real world usually stays at $22.757.277.310. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in an extremely large manner, which is genuinely huge, which actually basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 26,797.21 cents level after a decay of 0.42, which very the most part is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies as Ethereum certainly explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.12 coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours in a quite enormous manner, while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 308.52 following a value change of 0.48 within a similar time period in an especially huge manner. XRP, the decently buy and large local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 1.1 and presently exchanging at 46 cents. Which truly shows that yet prior to jumping most certainly profound into the truly Gala specialized examination, certainly let us actually most certainly discuss the super current economic situations. Exceptionally further appearance how yet prior to plunging profound into the especially Gale a specialized investigation explicitly let us certainly discuss the kind of current economic situations by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, after losing 0.77% of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents. This is a pretty big drop, and it shows that the market is really going down right now, contrary to what most people thought. Support is a level where buyers become more active and stop the price of the coin from falling further, which goes against what most people think. Similarly, there is a level where traders become fairly active and stop the price of the coin from going up. Showing how support, all things considered in a real sense, is a level at which buyers become more active and stop the coin's price from falling any further, or so they generally thought. Here are the support and resistance levels of Pretty Gala. The price of Pretty Gala is usually 5 cents, and it has a trading volume of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how similarly obstruction essentially is a level at which vendors for the most part move fundamentally dynamic and actually for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how support most certainly for the most part is a level at which purchasers for the most part truly become sort of in every practical sense all the more fundamentally by and large dynamic, can truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically truly is genuinely huge, which is very critical at present. Really, Gala certainly explicitly is up by 4.58 since yesterday with a market capitalization of $404,187,282 USD in a reasonably most certainly large manner, which is very huge. Gala value examination, all things considered. Gala cost investigation for the 22nd of May 2023 inside and in every way that really matters, essentially day-to-day time period, truly made sense of beneath, which most certainly is genuinely critical. We utilized genuinely relative Strength index moving most certainly normal uni and uniqueness backing levels opposition levels different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving kind of normal and dramatic moving commonly normal to really in a real sense examine the future development of the Gala or so they basically thought incredibly while Gale is Williams percent our pointer especially is at 72.181. For the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition an exchange genuinely signal fundamentally. Especially as somewhat really conceivable at this rate exhibiting how kind of Gala value examination sort of kind of Gala cost examination for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a day-to-day time period most certainly made sense of beneath an especially significant manner the MACD line in a real sense is remaining underneath of the especially signal line. After a hybrid so the sort of complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at 22,757,277,610 or so they essentially thought. Which sort of is genuinely huge Gala investors should wait for a change in direction on the daily graph, which shows how similar resistance is a level at which sellers become more active and stop the coin's price from going up, while support is a level at which buyers become more active and stop the coin's price from going down. Moving forward, it's normal to look at how the Gala will develop in the future. Despite what most people think, the Gala's overall trend is still down, but the price movement could show a bullish turn with its bullish overwhelm. As Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, buyers are left thinking where this well-known digital asset will go next. Will the bullish trend continue, allowing Bitcoin's price to go up even more, or should we be ready for a possible bearish correction? We will try to answer these questions in our Bitcoin price predictions for today by looking at economic and market signs. As the US talks about raising its debt limit, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, putting it over the $28,000 mark. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green. This could mean that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until after Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden made a preliminary deal to raise the huge $32.4 trillion debt ceiling. This deal, which was reached after 4 days of 90-minute phone conversations, is not yet set in stone. Biden has said that he is sure this deal will keep the U.S. from defaulting. On the other hand, Kevin McCarthy says that Biden is to blame for the delay. He says that Biden has been wasting time and turning down talks for several months. In the next 2 years, the deal caps how much the U.S. government can spend. The very important point is that costs related to national security will not be charged. This deal was made a month after Janet Yellen, the U.S. Treasury Secretary, said on June 1 that there was a chance it might not work out. The BTC